In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get lined paper on OneNote in just a few simple clicks. This is a super useful feature if you like taking handwritten notes, making study pages, writing neatly, or just want your OneNote page to feel more like a real notebook. Whether you use OneNote for school, work, journaling, or planning, adding ruled lines can make your notes much easier to read and organize. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick OneNote tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OneNote and go to the page where you want to add lined paper. You can do this on any notebook page, so just choose the note page you want to customize. Once you're on the right page, look at the top of the screen and click the View tab. The View tab is where OneNote keeps display options that change how your page looks, including paper styles and layout settings. After that, find the Rule Lines button and click it. This is the option that controls the lines or grid style on your page. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with different lined paper choices. Now you can select the layout that works best for your writing style. If you want tight spacing for smaller handwriting, choose narrow ruled. If you prefer a standard notebook look, college ruled is a great choice. If you want a wider layout with more room between lines, select standard ruled. And if you want the most spacing possible, choose wide ruled. As soon as you pick one of these options, OneNote will apply it to your page, and you'll instantly see the lined paper background appear. This makes it much easier to keep your handwriting straight and your notes organized. If you ever want to change the style again, just go back to the View tab, click Rule Lines, and pick a different option. And if you want to remove the lines completely, you can usually return to that same menu and choose the No Rule or Blank option, depending on your version of OneNote. So that's all it takes to get lined paper on OneNote. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how your notes look and feel. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.